Here everyone, welcome back to the Ella of Tech. Today we are unlocking one of the most breathtaking electrical phenomena on our planet, the Aurora borealis, also known as northern lights. It is known as like a northern lights. Get ready to discover how the sky makes its own glowing dance of electricity. The aurora borealis is a natural light show that appears in the sky near the North Pole. It looks like glowing curtains, waves, or moving ribbons of green, pink, red, and purple light. But what makes it truly stunning is this. It's caused by electricity from space entering Earth's atmosphere. The sun is constantly releasing charged electrical particles called the solar wind. And these particles travel millions of kilometers from space. When they reach Earth, our planet's magnetic field guides them toward the north and the south poles. As these charged particles collide with oxygen and nitrogen in our atmosphere, they transfer energy, and the gases release beautiful light. Green comes from oxygen at 100 to 300 kilometer high. Red from oxygen above 300 kilometers. Purple or green, is it purple or blue from nitrogen and molecules, and the pink from a mix of nitrogen and the oxygen. So the aurora is basically Earth's atmosphere glowing with electricity. Since Earth acts like a giant magnet, its magnetic field pulls solar wind toward the poles. That's why the North Lights appear in places like Norway, Canada, Alaska, Iceland, Finland, and Greenland. The best time to see them is during winter, when the nights are long and dark. Auroras are the strongest during periods of high solar activity, especially during solar storms. Auroras are beautiful, but they can also affect the technology. Solar storms can disturb Earth's magnetic field, causing radio interference, GPS errors, satellite malfunctions, and even power grid fluctuations. In fact, a powerful solar storm was caused a blackout in Canada in 1989. The same phenomenon happens at the South Pole, where it is called the Aurora. The Aurora borealis is one of the nature's greatest masterpieces, a living painting made by electricity from the sun emitting Earth's atmosphere. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share, and even comment. Drop your comment. Have you ever seen the North Light or Aurora borealis in real life? Thanks for watching. See you next.